Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Stash Grenade in Animal Company. This unique item generates a powerful black hole, pulling in anything nearby. Understanding its radius and suction strength is crucial for effective use. We'll cover how to deploy it to maximize its impact, whether for offense, defense, or utility. Mastering this grenade can significantly enhance your strategic gameplay, turning the tide of any encounter. Let's dive into the specifics. Effective deployment is key to maximizing the Stash Grenade's potential. Consider throwing it into tight corridors or doorways to trap opponents, ensuring they are pulled into its vortex. Alternatively, use it to clear cluttered areas by sucking up loose items or to deny enemy access to certain zones. Coordinating its use with other explosives, like dynamite, can create a powerful, destructive combination. Think strategically about placement. For advanced play, timing is everything. Launch your Stash Grenade just as enemies are pushing an objective or to cover your team's retreat. It's also excellent for flushing out opponents hiding behind cover, forcing them into the open. Experiment with different throw, angles, and distances to master its trajectory. Consistent practice in diverse situations will help you instinctively know the best moment to deploy this powerful tool. While powerful, the Stash Grenade can be countered. The most effective defense is maintaining a safe distance from its activation zone to avoid being caught in its pull. Utilize environmental cover, like walls or obstacles, to block its line of sight and prevent it from affecting you. If possible, deploy your own tactical items to disrupt enemy grenade placement or create a diversion, minimizing its impact on your team. Stay vigilant and adapt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.